This is the third part of chapter 7, that is profit and loss, discount and tax. And in this part we are going to start exercise 7b. But before we start with the exercise, let us learn some formulas important for this exercise. The first one is to find the selling price when cost price and gain or loss percent are given. So selling price equals to 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into cost price. When there is a loss, so the formula will be 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into cost price. How to find the cost price when selling price and gain or loss percent are given? So cost price is equals to 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent into selling price. When there is a loss, so cost price equals to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. Now moving on to the exercise. First question. Find the selling price when cost price is rupees 7640 and gain equals to 15%. So just putting the formula over here, that is selling price equals to 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into cost price. That is 100 plus 15 divided by 100 into 7640. So 115 divided by 100 into 7640 is equals to rupees 8786, that is 8786 rupees. Question number 2. Find the cost price when selling price is rupees 448.20, that is 448 rupees 20 paise, and loss is 17%. So putting the formula for cost price, which is 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. So 100 divided by 100 minus 17 into 448.20, that is equals to 100 divided by 83 into 448.20, which is equals to rupees 540. Question number 3. A sales a bicycle to B at a profit of 20% and B sells it to C at a profit of 5%. If C pays rupees 3,780, what did A pay for it? So we know the selling price of the bicycle when B is selling it to C. So let us find the cost price of the bicycle when B is purchasing it from A. So in the question it is written selling price of the bicycle when B sold to C is 3780 and he gains a profit of 5%. So cost price of the bicycle when B sold to C is equals to 100 divided by 100 plus gain into 3780, that is selling price. So 100 divided by 105 into 3780 is equal to rupees 3600. Now this cost price is the selling price of the bicycle when A is selling it to B. So we have written it as selling price of the bicycle when A sold to B is 3600. So cost price of the bicycle when A sold to B is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus gain into selling price. That is 100 divided by 100 plus 20 into 3600. So 100 divided by 120 into 3600, that is equals to rupees 3000. Question number 5. A grocer purchased 80 kg of rice at rupees 27 per kg and mixed it with 120 kg of rice purchased at rupees 32 per kg. At what rate per kg should he sell the mixture to gain 16%? So let us first find out the cost price of 80 kg of rice at rupees 27 per kg, that is rupees 80 into 27, that is equal to rupees 2160. Now cost price of 120 kg of rice is equal to rupees 120 into 32, which is equals to rupees 3840. Thus the cost price of 200 kg of rice, 200, that is 80 plus 120 is 200 kg, which is equals to, adding this two amount, which is rupees 6000. Now gain on selling 200 kg of rice is said to be 16%. That is a total gain in selling the mixture. So selling price of the mixture is equals to 100 plus gain divided by 100 into cost price, which is 100 plus 16 divided by 100 into 6000. So 116 divided by 100 into 6000 is equal to rupees 6960. So selling price of the mixture, they have asked us to find out the selling price of per kg of the mixture. That means there was total 200 kg of the mixture. So we will divide the selling price of the 200 kg divided by 200. That is rupees 34.80 paise. So the selling price of the mixture per kg is rupees 34.80 paise. Now question number 7. A trader purchased a wall clock and a watch for a sum of rupees 5070. He sold them, making a profit of 10% on the wall clock and 15% on the watch. He earns a profit of rupees 669.50. Find the cost price of the wall clock and that of the watch. So let us assume that the cost price of the wall clock is rupees X. So what is the cost price of the watch? That is 5070 minus X rupees. So selling price of the wall clock, as mentioned, there was a 10% profit. So 10 plus gain percent by 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into cost price. So 100 plus 10 divided by 100 into X, which is equals to 11x by 10. Similarly, selling price of the watch is 100 plus 15%, that is 100 plus 15 divided by 100 into 5070 minus X. So which is equals to 115 divided by 100 into 5070 minus X. So 115 and 100 is cancelled, it is reduced to the lowest term. So we can multiply individually, that is 23 by 20 is multiplied to 5070 once, and then again 23x by 20 is multiplied with x. So 23 by 20 into 5070 minus 23 by x by 20 is equal to, so multiplying this equation we have got 11,661 by 2 minus 23x by 20. Now taking the LCM as 20, here we will have 1,16,610 minus 23x by 20. So this is the equation we have derived. Now it was given that the profit was 669.50. So now we can write the equation as selling price minus cost price is equals to 669.50. So the selling price was 11x by 10 in the first case. That is the selling price of the wall clock. Okay. So selling price of the wall clock is 11x by 10 plus selling price of the watch is 1,16,610 minus 23x by 20 minus the cost price, which is 5070 mentioned in the question, is equals to rupees 669.50. So solving this equation, taking 20 as the LCM, we will have 22x plus 1,16,610 minus 23x is equal to, bring this 5070 to the other side, so it will get added to 669.50. So we'll have 1,16,610 minus x divided by 20 equals to 5739.50. So next step is 1,16,610 minus x, bringing the 20 on the other side, it will get multiplied. Therefore 1,16,610 minus x is equals to 1,14,790. So x equals to 1,16,610 minus 1,14,790. Therefore the value of x is equals to 1820. That is the value of the wall clock. So the cost price of the wall clock is rupees 1820. So therefore the cost price of the watch is equals to rupees 5070 minus 1820, which is equals to rupees 3250. Okay, that's all for this part. Thank you.